It is a technology-based company that focuses on system integration and technology research and development. The company has a strong R&D team. There are various professional talents engaged in hardware and software development, adhere to the strategic goal of building the enterprise into a world-class automation solution supplier, dedicated to innovative comprehensive partners in the field of complete set manufacturing and production. Provide customers with stable and reliable automation system solutions and equipment, assist in the innovative development of the entire industry chain. Pre-wiring automation system for electric fusion fittings. Flexible loading system with 2D intelligent vision camera. Loading and unloading system for lathe. Automatic bag emptying system with 3D camera. Wire laying system for electric fusion fittings. Post-machining for electric fusion fittings. Electric fusion elbow production equipment. Electric fusion sheathing wire production equipment. Electric fusion inner cover sleeve production equipment. Packing unit for electric fusion fittings. Covering healthcare, automobiles, oil and gas. Automatic loading and unloading, food and beverage industries, etc., including testing, assembly, handling, welding, packaging, overall system solution, integrated applications of robots, etc.